Wildcat students, this is Mr. Waka, and I want to talk to you about what happened today with our learning. I want to talk about what's going to happen tomorrow, Thursday, with our online learning, and I want to talk about what's going to happen Friday with our online learning. So today we had a full day live stream instruction, and the reason we did that was because I didn't want to have the teachers come in because we didn't know what time the storm was really going to start, and I didn't want to see anyone drive home a long distance and have any kind of problems with that. So that's the reason why we did what we did today. Now tomorrow, and a lot of times when I talk to kids with you guys in the office, we talk about how it's really important that when we say we're going to do something, we try our best to do it. Now I don't want to say that we're going to be able to provide live streaming tomorrow if I'm not really 100% sure that we can do it. That's what's all about, credibility and accountability and things like that. And it's very important. We know we're going to have teachers that are kind of living some, an hour away, some half an hour away, all different directions. And we know that this storm might be pretty nasty. It might get pretty windy. So I don't want you to have to log on or expect to log on to instruction tomorrow, only to find out that your teacher is not able to log on. We don't want that to happen. So tomorrow is going to be a full snow day. Okay, so tomorrow you do not have any academic responsibilities. It's a full snow day. On Friday, I expect we will once again have a full day remote instruction. So we'll start 9 o'clock, just like we always do, and we'll end at 2:45, just like we always do. But we're going to keep everybody home on Friday. Now for tomorrow, there's something I want to talk to you about the snow day. If your mom or dad let you go outside to do whatever it is tomorrow, I still want you to wear your masks, and I still want you to keep 6 feet social distance from your friends. We don't want anyone to get sick. Just because you're not in the building doesn't mean you're not important, doesn't mean we don't care about you. Please wear your masks and keep your social distancing. And when you're crossing streets, you got to understand this. Sometimes when the snow gets packed in, it gets pretty high, and it's really hard for drivers to see kids that are crossing streets. So there's no rush to go anywhere tomorrow. There's no rush. So I want to make sure when you're crossing streets, you take your time. If your mom or dad let you do this, take your time, look both ways. But the last thing we're going to want to see is anything bad happening. So I really want you to pay attention and take your time, and there's no rush crossing, and be really careful crossing streets. And lastly, this is really important. If the snow is yellow, don't eat it. So enjoy your snow day tomorrow. Friday, we will once again resume. We have a full day of instruction on Friday, and we'll go from there. Thank you. Go Wildcats.